Welcome fellow Thermi fans, I'm Richard the Foodie and this is the place for all things Thermomix TM6. I'm here today with a very quick video where I'm exploring all the many functions of the TM6. Now some time ago I cooked some rice in a bowl and I converted that into an egg fried rice video which is here on the channel. The results from cooking rice in a bowl are pretty good, but I thought, you know what, maybe the Thermi can do better. Since then, several times I've been using the steam rice function and let me tell you, it is loads better. It's foolproof, it's impossible to get wrong, and it's ready in about 20 minutes. Today I'm going to be using some standard supermarket bought long grain rice, so nothing special. I'm going to be weighing in about 120 grams, which is more than enough to feed 2 people. So there's no time to waste, so let's get cooking. I have to say, if you're not using a Thermomix function for cooking your rice, you really need to give this a try. So firstly, 1,000 grams of water. And the beauty of this is we're not doing ratios per weight of rice and water. It's 1,000 grams no matter what your weight. Again, making the most out of the built-in Thermomix scales. I'll do 1,010, doesn't have to be exact. What's happening next? 1.5 teaspoons of fine sea salt. I'll just chuck a little bit of table salt in. And next, 20 grams of olive oil or unsalted butter, optional. I'll go for the olive oil. And next, insert simmering basket. So this is where we will weigh the rice in. It pops in nicely, so that's just sitting now above the water. So again, I'm going to go for 120 grams. This will serve 2 people well, but as you can see, 50 to 350, so you can put as much in as you want, but I wouldn't go any more than 350 grams past the instructions. A little bit over there, but hey, have a little bit more rice for me. Next, insert measuring cup into mixing bowl lid, and pretty much this is it. And I've not even cleaned or rinsed the rice. I mean, you can if you want, it's completely up to you, but I find the results just fine the way it is. So 20 minutes, speed selector 4, and I'll see you then.
A few moments later.
Okay, we are all done. Next, remove simmering basket with aid of spatula. But before I do that, let's just take a quick look in the basket and check the rice out. So as you can see, it's looking pretty good, but we'll have a lot better view once it's out in a bowl. Again, do be careful with the simmering basket. It is quite hot. It's also quite difficult to handle with a spatula. Look at that, it's looking really, really good. So a little bit of a close-up. There's no signs of any starch, and the rice is all nicely separated. Perfect consistency. I can't really fault it, and I can't get better results on a hob than I can using a Thermomix steaming the rice this method. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you give this a try, let me know what you think. If you haven't already subscribed, do consider clicking that subscribe button and help me reach the magical 10,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate it. See you soon for some more Thermomix content.